Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you a fresh and smarter way to drive free traffic from Quora. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've probably seen a dozen videos that say, find questions, answer them, and get traffic. But let's be real. You tried that and nothing happened. So let me give you something different. You'll learn how to find the questions that actually get traffic, how to rank your answers at the top consistently. You can use this for affiliate links, blogs, landing pages, or anything you want to promote. So the standard advice goes, go to Quora, type your niche, answer questions. Let's say we're in the keto niche, we type keto, go to the questions tab and see a list. These look like good questions, but here's the thing, they're not necessarily the ones getting the most traffic. And if no one's seeing your answer, you're not getting any clicks. That's the gap we're going to fix. Here's the trick. Quora has an Ads Manager feature that most people overlook. We're going to use it, but don't worry, you won't spend a cent. Step by step, click on your Quora profile image, choose Ads Manager, hit Create Campaign. We're not running one, just using the tool. Click Continue until you see targeting options. Choose Questions, then Bulk Ad. Type your main keyword, e.g. keto. Click Continue. Boom, now you'll see a list of the most viewed questions related to your keyword. Example, is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss? Over 2,000 views per month? That's traffic you can actually tap into. By the way, if you're answering a lot of questions or creating content across platforms like Quora, Reddit, or even YouTube comments, I use a tool called Commentions to organize, reuse, and track my best performing comments and answers. It's a massive time saver, and you can even build a personal library of responses you can adapt across different posts. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to try it. Once you've picked a high traffic question, click Answer. Use ChatGPT to get a draft, but don't copy-paste. Why? Quora flags AI-generated responses. So, rewrite it manually in your tone. Make it sound human, not robotic. Avoid using tools like Quillbot. Do-it-yourself pro tip. Start your answer with an eye-catching image. This stops the scroll and draws people in. Add 2 to 4 relevant images throughout the post for visual engagement. Now comes the ranking strategy. And no, it's not spammy. Here's what to do. Create a few backup Quora accounts on different devices, not just IPs. Ask friends and family to make accounts too, but don't upvote all at once. Space it out over 15 to 30 days. This makes your engagement look organic, not like a spam burst. If your answer is high quality, natural upvotes will also come in, and your post rises to the top. And that's it. With this approach, you're not wasting time on low traffic posts or AI flagged content. You're targeting questions with demand, providing real value, and using a clean strategy to get attention. Got questions? Drop them below. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more practical traffic and monetization strategies. And if you're curious about Commentions, the tool I mentioned earlier, check out the link in the description.